In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can bioscan the Electric Geordie here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, the location that this is about 1,800 meters east of the life pod towards the giant alien power plant. So go ahead and make your way over there. You are going to pass through a pretty interesting zone. There is going to be a collector leviathan, so just be on the lookout for him. If you swim low, you can avoid him. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm just going to swim right past him. But essentially, just make your way over to that alien power plant. You'll know you're close after you do pass that collector leviathan. You're going to see like this giant structure here. There's an alien tower over here. And if you keep heading that way, you're going to run right into that alien power plant. And what you can do once you kind of pass that tower is start heading straight down. And once again, we're still going just east in general. But once you start getting lower down here, you're going to start noticing these guys are a lot more apparent the deeper you go. So continue going down. It looks like we actually might have one right there. Nope, that's not one. Continue going down towards the angel comb instead. And once you reach the angel comb, what you're going to want to do if you're still not seeing them, and they do spawn in this area, is actually make your way northeast a little bit. And pretty much just follow this like giant purple route northeast from the second angel comb right over here. Once it starts kind of breaking off a little bit, and it'll break off a little bit that way, you need to go ahead and instead take a left, once again kind of going northeast, and make your way over close to where these like giant little power plants are and these fish. Once again, there is a collector leviathan in this area. He's going to be up at the very top, but you're going to see all those other fish in this area kind of just chilling alongside these walls. These guys are super easy to see at night. And if for whatever reason you're still not seeing them, and they do hang out in this area, look by one of these little electric things right here. These things, they like to hang out around as well. Actually, it looks like we have them right here. But that's going to be the full process. You just got to get out, scan them. They swim fast, though, so you want to get close, scan it real quick, and then move on. But yeah, if you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.